Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share my top 3 picks for the best multi-tool for firefighters. We'll explore the features that make them stand out. And, of course, don't forget to check out today's prices in the links below. Let's dive in. 1. Leatherman Skeletool. The Leatherman Skeletool proves to be a reliable companion for various tasks, especially in washer and dryer repairs. The initial adjustment period for the pliers is noted, but the multi-tool's overall utility becomes apparent with repeated use. The inclusion of a secure bit holder and sharp blade enhances its versatility for everyday carry, EDC. The deep and tight pocket clip ensures it stays put, making it a practical choice for quick access. Some users express a desire for spring-assisted pliers, acknowledging that it would elevate the tool even further. Despite this, the multi-tool's handsome design and interchangeable bit drivers earn praise. It receives positive feedback as a gift, with recipients highlighting its handiness and quality, supported by Leatherman's impressive 25-year warranty. However, concerns arise regarding potential quality inconsistencies. While one user's heavily used tool stands the test of time, another's experiences unexpected deterioration with light use. This raises questions about the overall durability and consistency in Leatherman's production. On the flip side, positive sentiments persist, with users appreciating the razor-sharp knife and the tool's functionality. The Skeletool's durability is evident, surviving an extensive infantry training course and earning praise for its compact size and essential features. The product is lauded for its reliability, though some users grapple with minor dislikes such as a stiff initial feel and awkward bit changes. In summary, the Leatherman Skeletool impresses with its compact design, essential tools, and overall durability. While some users encounter issues with specific components, the multi-tool's practicality and functionality garner widespread approval. 2. Gerber Dime. The Gerber Dime multi-tool garners mixed reviews from users. Some appreciate its compact design and multitude of tools, citing its usefulness for everyday tasks. The knife, package opener, and other features receive praise for their functionality, though there are consistent complaints about the dullness of the knife blade and the inadequacy of the small scissors. The pliers, while sturdy for some, prove to be too small for those with larger hands, and concerns arise about their durability. Opinions on construction quality vary, with some users expressing admiration for its rugged build, while others find fault in stiff accessories that are challenging to extract. The issue of weight is raised by some, deeming the multi-tool a bit too heavy for comfortable daily carry. Despite positive sentiments about Gerber's reputation for durable tools, there are reports of breakages, particularly with the pliers, leaving users disappointed. However, others commend the product's longevity, with one user replacing a lost tool after years of reliable service. In summary, the Gerber Dime multi-tool offers a compact solution with a range of features, but its performance inconsistencies, especially with the pliers and scissors, leave room for improvement. Users emphasize the need for durability and sharper blades in future iterations of this otherwise handy tool. 3. Leatherman Rebar. The Leatherman Rebar has garnered mixed reviews from users. While some express their satisfaction with its durability and functionality, others find fault in certain aspects. A common praise is the tool's versatility, with users commending its usefulness for various projects. The multi-tool's sturdy construction and sleek design receive positive mentions, contributing to its widespread appeal. However, criticisms center around issues such as stiffness in the opening and closing mechanism, particularly in the pliers. Some users report difficulty accessing certain tools due to tight fits, and there are instances where the tool arrives with wear marks, scuffing, or a messy paint job, leaving a less than impressive first impression. A recurring theme is the varying stiffness of the tool, with some mentioning that regular use may help alleviate the problem. The price point of the Leatherman Rebar is a point of contention, with some users deeming it steep for a multi-tool. Despite the mixed feedback, others emphasize the long-lasting quality, highlighting its ability to withstand heavy usage over the years. Overall, opinions on the Leatherman Rebar range from enthusiastic endorsements to critical evaluations, making it a product with both loyal fans and dissatisfied customers.